Well, it's nice and colorful, isn't it? Hello, Birmingham. My name is Singing D. But they can call me Smiling D if you want to. I'm going to sing 2 songs. Because I don't want security to come lift me off. So I'm just going to bless the place. I'm a busker by profession, so you usually see me singing over there. Anyway, the first song I'm going to sing is Amazing Grace. So when you're ready, my selector. Amazing grace, and shall always be my song of praise. Because you know, so when we come, you know, our Holy Ghost time. When you ready, my selector? It's grace that covers my fallen soul. He looked beyond my faults and so my needs. Like me don't say, you know, 1 plus God is a majority. Anyway, my last song, because I'm only singing 2 like me done said, is called What Profit a Man. So when you're ready, you know. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, man. So we sing and sing. Taking the whole wide world and losing some soul. Oh, prophet a man, taking the whole wide world and losing some soul. Oh, you can have all the money and the name and take cruising around the world. Oh, make it, may the truth and lie. Set them talking about the one that they call Christ. Oh, prophet a man, taking the whole wide world and losing some souls. My sister, to make it up, yours is whole. But turn to the way, the truth, and the light. I said I'm talking about the one that me again, go right. I need you, people again. Yes. So we're singing and singing. So we're singing and singing. Oh, prophet a man, taking the whole wide world and losing some soul. Can you do my brother, my sister, to make yourself whole, but turn to the way and the truth and the light. Said I'm talking about the one they call him Christ. Oh, what prophet a man, yes. Oh, yes. Sing it there. Wow. Come back. Wow. Brethren.
Give him another little.
People.
That's a very powerful.
Come on, let's hear some appreciation.
Come